Alright, got the F-16 Falcon from eFlite, coming out on a Hobby Star 4200 6S. I'll show you the battery position when we land if I remember. Very cold this morning, about 31 degrees. This is New Year's Eve, December 31st, 2019. I haven't flown this one but a handful of times. It flies really well, but this will be the coldest she's gone up. There's full speed, back pressure, wheels coming up. It has no flaps. Sorry for the bounce when I'm walking down here to the end. This morning's sun is pretty brutal. So since there's no one here, we usually come down here and take an east-west pattern. Make a low pass here in front of us. This is a good flying plane. Tell you another really good flying plane. Pete out here, he let me fly his Viper, eFlite Viper. Man, oh man, what a great flying little jet. It flies every bit as good as the Rebel and this one. Probably a little better than this one, actually. This one's got a little stubbier wing, so she'll sink in a little bit on the turns more than the Viper does. This one is great at doing high alphas though. Just got to work the throttle. Let's try a high speed pass here in front of us. See how she sinks in there in the turn if you don't keep the speed up. And climbing up. Do a roll in there. And she's about running out right there. Make a pass here in front of us, drop the gear down. There they go. There they go. Now we'll see if we can get her in with less than one bounce. Probably not, but we'll go for 2 or less. How's that? Not bad. We'll take it. Let's say you turn sharp at all, she'll dump the wing over on you. Those landing gears are just little baby spaced apart, just like the full scale. Difference is the full scale's got a lot more weight and center mass. This one has the weight distributed. So if you turn over too quick, she will drop a wing. Alright, there it is. eFlite F-16. Fun flying little jet. I think though, were I just getting into this, I'd probably still recommend the Rebel as a first EDF. And that Viper I would recommend over this one as well. It's a little easier flying and a little more forgiving. Alright, thanks for watching.